Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark an ad as sold on your Craigslist account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials to log in. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on the same account icon, which will take you into your account homepage. Now you will see the advertisements underneath your most recent as well as the active and all postings tab. Now, while there is no direct option to mark a product as sold, you can still tap on the delete button to remove this post entirely, which you can do once your product has been sold. Just click on the delete button and it will be removed from your Craigslist right away. After this, when you go back to your account page, you will see that it has been placed underneath the delete category. And there you have it. That is how you can mark any advertisement as sold on your Craigslist account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.